Density is a measure of how much matter is packed into a certain amount of space. Simply put, it tells us how heavy something is for its size. Imagine you have two objects, a feather and a rock, that are the same size. The rock is much heavier, or denser, because it has more matter in the same amount of space. Scientists use a unit called grams per cubic centimeter to measure density. This unit tells us how many grams of matter are in each cubic centimeter of space. For example, the density of water is about 1 gcm superscript 3, meaning that 1 cubic centimeter of water weighs 1 gram. There are many things that can affect the density of an object. Temperature, pressure, and the type of material it's made of can all make a difference. For example, a balloon filled with hot air is less dense than a balloon filled with cold air. And if you were to make a sculpture out of clay and then bake it, the baked clay would be denser than the original clay. Density can be a useful tool for scientists to identify materials and solve problems. They can use density to tell the difference between two substances that look similar, or to figure out how much of a material they need to use in a certain experiment. Now that you know what density is, can you think of some things in your everyday life that might have different densities? Maybe a basketball and a tennis ball, or a sponge and a rock. Keep your eyes open and see what you can find.